Advocates want to make sure a Pueblo man accused of killing a kitten receives a proper sentence.
A judge tossed out Robert Heckman's plea deal yesterday after seeing his exclusive interview with KRDO News Channel 13. Heckman will now face a jury in June. If convicted, he could spend up to 18 months in prison.
KRDO News Channel 13's Michelle San Miguel spoke with the former chief trial deputy for the district attorney's office about the impact of our interview. Michelle.
Carl Tamler has been practicing law in Pueblo County for more than 20 years. He says cases rarely get moved outside of Pueblo, even if that case has received significant media coverage.
If you have a favorable plea, you want to keep your mouth shut.
That's exactly what Robert Heckman didn't do.
Do you admit that you did it?
No, I do not.
In an exclusive interview with KRDO News Channel 13 earlier this month, Heckman claimed he had some involvement in killing a cat named Loki, but said others were also involved. Criminal defense lawyer Carl Tamler did not want to speak specifically about the Heckman case, but says it's not in a client's best interest to speak publicly after entering a plea deal.
Most people assume if you enter a plea, you're guilty. So if you get out on the media and start saying you're not guilty, you're not responsible, you're detracting from your sense of remorse, your sense of responsibility for the crime.
The interview resulted in what members of the group Justice for Loki wanted. They submitted more than 3,500 signatures to the judge, asking him to reject the plea deal.
I couldn't wrap my mind around how something like this could happen and didn't want it to happen to any animal again.
But the public outcry over Heckman's alleged actions may not be enough to move this trial out of Pueblo.
There has to be an overwhelming media response and an overwhelming sense that the general public in a certain community feels one way or the other about a case.
Will face a jury on June 10th. Reporting live in Pueblo, Michelle San Miguel, KRDO News Channel 13.
Michelle, thanks. And Stewie the cat